Hi guys, it's Dr. Veena. Let's talk about diabetes. So what is it? Diabetes is a disease caused by excess sugar or glucose building up in the body. So what happens in a normal, healthy person? What is the process? When we eat anything, specifically carbohydrates, it gets broken down and we get glucose building up in the body. The body then produces a substance called insulin, which takes the glucose, breaks it down and takes it into the cells where it can be of use. What happens in diabetes? Either the body doesn't produce any insulin, which is called type 1 diabetes, or the body produces insulin, but the cells in the body are not responding to it. That's type 2 diabetes. Type 1 is more specifically seen in childhood. It's very rare to present with this in adult life, and type 2 is more lifestyle related. So this often happens in later adult life because someone has an increased weight, may not exercise enough, and that causes insulin resistance. Excess glucose in the body can then lead to symptoms of diabetes. Now, some of these symptoms are things like feeling very thirsty, going to wee a lot, feeling very tired, losing a lot of weight, repeated infections, things like thrush, or also slow wound healing. You may be familiar with some of these. There are also some other forms of diabetes that are not as common as type 1 and type 2, and I'll list them here so you can have a look. Feel free to put your questions down below and I'll do my best to answer them. But remember, I can't give personalized medical advice because I'm not your designated doctor and it wouldn't be safe clinical practice to do so. So I can only give generalized advice. If you are unwell or have any of these symptoms or are worried about diabetes, please contact your family doctor or your GP and get the appropriate help needed.